Right, ongoing saga of fixing up the Frankenstein chairs. As you can see, the cross braces here that help support the back legs, which is some of the reasons why they failed and cracked on the tenon joint. These have been fixed before, been re-glued. You see the new glue which wasn't cleaned off or put on properly. You see there's a gap here. So they haven't been put on very good originally, and that was some of the reason why the legs loosened and cracked the tenon that was in the joint here. But these I'm going to replace. As you can see, they're not fitted very well. Lots of glue. When I clean it up, there will be a big gap along here. Same with here, there's a big gap, and by the time I get this off, it'll probably break up and we'll probably need to replace it. You see what happens. This one here I have fixed up. What are you doing? Look, this one here I have fixed up. As you can see, cleaned it up, took it off. Wasn't glued on very well, so it come off relatively easy. Cleaned up the joints, refitted it, reclamped it in. That's what I want to do with these. Think it's a good idea, girls? Eh? Think it's a good idea. Circle girls. Circle girls. That screw's just cracked. Use the older screws. See if we can get these out. There's the other one. Right, we give these a tap. This one may. Look at that. As you can see, not a lot holding it on. Pretty poor patch job was done. And saying that, I may be able to clean all that up and use that one again, which will be good. This one here, I think it's going to be a little bit tougher to get off. Right. Yeah, no, that's not coming off. We have to go to option B. Little bits at a time. Still better than trying to dig it out of there. Which if it had broken off at the wood level is what we would have had to do. Got it. Voila. One of my favourite tools for stripping glue and finish off old timber. Carbon tip scraper. scraper to finish it off. We've got a clean joint now to make the new bracket for. Next thing I got to do is fill these holes in. For that, we're going to use a bit of super glue. And a couple of little matchsticky bits that I've made. First thing we want to do is just sharpen the two ends off a bit. Bit of super glue. Tap that in. Shave them off. And just to finish it off, I get a bit of sawdust. Final trim. Alright, now we're ready to fit the new piece. We're going to make the new bracket out of a bit of recycled carry out of our old TV cabinet. So we've got it fitted. You can see it's not bad on the top angle, but we've got a slight gap on the bottom here. To fit that better, we get it into position. Pencil. And we mark along the edge. You can see it's just marked along that edge, hasn't marked there because the pencil never touched it. So now we're going to sand that off. So we've sanded that pencil off. What's up, Mark? Now. Yep. Pretty close. Go. Get sneak on a bit. Nope. Close. I'm going. I think we've got a fit, people. It's pretty good. screwdriver. There we go. 2 brackets glued in. Giving the chair good support.